Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We've got beans about unchanged, soybean oil's a little bit higher, corn's down a penny, while wheat's up a penny. Outside markets, you got stocks lower, dollar higher, crude a little bit lower, and gold a little bit lower. Again, markets are watching pretty closely the instant issues in Gaza and the fact Israel has delayed the invasion, and maybe it has to do with trying to get the hostages freed. I doubt if Hamas will free a bulk of the hostages. We'll also be watching the Russian-Ukraine situation, corridor issues of moving grain during the war there that continues to escalate. There was a report that the president of Ukraine threatened retaliation if Russia decides to attack their electrical grids again. Argentina is still looking to try to figure out their election, which adds turmoil to their political and economic situations. We did see that there was some shower activity in Argentina, which is helping conditions there. We also note that central Brazil is dry, and our weather forecaster considers this to be a problem, and there may be continued dryness there for some time, which could cause some delay in plantings and replanting. We also noted that some key rivers in the Amazon area are dry, and it's stopping logistical movement of grain to the ports at the end of the Amazon River. We also note that here in the United States, the heavy rains have been changed to more southern part of the U.S., the eastern winter wheat areas, and also in the Delta versus the Midwest. Still, showers could slow harvest activity in the Midwest. Farmers are not selling corn as we approach the 60% area of harvest. That's reducing the pipeline needs of the crushing plants, which have positive margins. We also note in wheat that we'll be watching pretty closely what demand is for wheat. Russia's offering wheat cheaper than any other origin, but there's few buyers right now at this point. We do note that on Monday, the USDA will come out with its first ratings of the winter wheat crop. Some people think it could be 50% good to excellent, which is the highest rating since 2019. We did note that for the year, except soybean imports were a little over 100 million tons versus 97 last year. September was 12.7 versus 8.1 last year. Palm oil imports 6.9 versus 4.8, and soybean plus rapeseed oil 3.5 versus 1.4 last year. Dalian soybean, palm soybean oil prices are lower, and soybean meal prices were higher.